Welcome to What Is Explained. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to solidify your knowledge, this guide will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap to becoming proficient in cybersecurity. Let's get started. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. To start your journey, it's essential to understand the basics. This includes knowing about firewalls, antivirus software, and the importance of strong, unique passwords. Firewalls act as a barrier between your computer and potential threats, while antivirus software helps detect and remove malicious software. Next, familiarize yourself with key concepts such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and virtual private networks, VPNs. Encryption converts data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring 2 or more verification methods. VPNs provide a secure connection to another network over the internet. To deepen your knowledge, explore various learning resources. Online courses, books, and certifications are great ways to build your expertise. Some popular certifications include CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. Practical skills are crucial in cybersecurity. Learn to code, set up a home lab to practice your skills, and participate in cybersecurity competitions like Capture the Flag, CTF events. These activities will help you apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Stay updated by following cybersecurity news websites, joining forums, and attending conferences. Networking with professionals in the field can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Cybersecurity is a challenging yet rewarding field. By following this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to becoming a cybersecurity expert. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.